Assalamu alaikum. Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and good evening my all friends, fans and viewers. How are you my all friends, fans and viewers? I am fine and I hope my all viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition and health. I'm also perfect and thanks to my love for everything. I also pray for you to Almighty so Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life, and please yours also pray for me. I hope you're eating my latest video. So the wait is over. Today I bring some special beautiful ideas, different crochet blouses for modern girls. So girls, please you must watch my video till the end. Beautiful ideas and different ideas, different colors. Some are beautiful light color, dark color, color contrast, plain color ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors and different ideas. Full sleeve, half sleeve, sleeveless, off shoulder, beautiful neck design, different ideas, different colors, beautiful color contrast. And you can wear these crochet blouses with matching your pants, jeans, leggings, skirts, shorts, as you like. So please you must watch my video till the end. Hopefully you like this and follow my channel, press the bell icon and please go to pin comment section about this video. And if you want to more collection about crochet, so please you visit my channel, the logos front of you, and go to pin comment section, tell this video and new video about tell the new video. Please support my channel and follow my videos, follow my channel. Good comment section. Very nice, beautiful ideas, different colors. Hopefully you like this. Very nice, beautiful ideas, different designing, and some are light color, dark color. Most demanding, outstanding and beautiful ideas. Please follow my channel and get me in comment section. So viewers, if you want more collection about crochet videos, so please visit my channel. The logo is front of you. Very nice. Hopefully you like this. Very nice, most demanding and beautiful ideas. Beautiful pattern, beautiful designing, beautiful ideas. Crochet pattern. Hopefully like this. Very nice. Very nice. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.